Barrett Firearms, in collaboration with MARS Inc., has been named the winner of the U.S. Army's xTech Soldier Lethality competition, as announced on May 22, 2025. This major win crowns their joint creation, a state-of-the-art 30mm precision grenade launcher system developed under the Precision Grenadier System (PGS) initiative, as the future of infantry firepower. The xTech Soldier Lethality Challenge was designed to uncover groundbreaking technologies to amplify soldier effectiveness on the battlefield. Barrett and MARS were able to deliver a fully functioning prototype within just 6 months, reflecting a level of speed and engineering coordination rarely seen in military R&D timelines. Dubbed the 30mm Support Rifle System, SRS, the new weapon is engineered to neutralize threats hiding behind barriers and to intercept low-flying drones, a growing concern in modern warfare. Its edge lies in advanced programmable munitions capable of precise detonation, whether in mid-air, on impact, or within tight quarters. This innovative design triumphed over rival FN Herstal's submission, the PGS-001, giving Barrett and MARS a critical advantage in the race to arm the next generation of U.S. soldiers. The SRS comes outfitted with the XM157 optic system developed by Vortex, already being fielded alongside the Army's M7 and M250 next-generation squad weapons. To complement the launcher, Amtech Corporation has created a custom ammunition suite featuring airburst explosives, proximity-fused projectiles, point-detonating rounds, and close combat-specific variants. All of these work seamlessly with a fire control system built by precision targeting, ensuring accurate and efficient engagement across various mission profiles. Launched in 2023, the xTech competition has become a proving ground for fast, scalable defense innovations. Barrett's partnership with MARS Inc. and other contributors demonstrated their capacity to meet strict military deadlines without compromising functionality. The SRS offers enhanced firepower tailored for both urban and field operations, an asset intended to increase lethality, precision, and adaptability in dynamic environments. Barrett CEO Brian James noted that this victory extends the company's tradition of fielding globally recognized weapon systems like the .50 caliber Model 82 and the multi-caliber MRAD-22 Malawian Quachas sniper rifle, both in use by the U.S. military and allied forces worldwide. According to James, the SRS represents a leap forward in combat engagement, offering a programmable launch platform capable of defeating both entrenched ground threats and aerial targets, ultimately bolstering troop survivability. Ryan Krantz, Barrett's Vice President of Business Development, highlighted that the successful integration of the SRS underscores not only the company's technical strengths but also its ability to align with military objectives through cohesive industry partnerships. He emphasized that this win demonstrates how private sector innovation can rapidly address modern battlefield demands. With Barrett and MARS now leading the PGS effort, the Army is one step closer to deploying a revolutionary shoulder-fired weapon system. Combining portability, technological sophistication, and firepower, the SRS is poised to redefine how ground forces engage emerging threats in increasingly complex combat environments.